Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Do you want to elevate your Grand Theft Auto PC gameplay? Connecting your PlayStation 4 controller is easier than you think and can truly transform your experience. It brings that familiar, precise console feel directly to your computer, making driving and shooting in Los Santos feel incredibly natural. Get ready to enjoy a much more immersive and comfortable gaming session. This quick guide will walk you through every simple step, ensuring you're playing seamlessly in minutes. Getting ready to connect your controller requires just a few simple things. First, of course, you will need your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller itself. Then, either a standard micro USB cable, which is the same one used to charge your controller, or a computer with built-in Bluetooth if you prefer a wireless setup. No expensive adapters or complicated software are needed to start. It's genuinely that easy. For the fastest and most stable connection, opting for a wired setup is your best bet. Just take your micro USB cable and plug the smaller end directly into your PlayStation 4 controller. Then, connect the larger end into any available USB port on your personal computer. Within moments, your PC will typically detect the controller automatically, and you should see a subtle light on the controller indicating it's active. You're now almost ready to jump into the action. For a more untethered experience, connecting wirelessly via Bluetooth offers fantastic freedom. First, ensure your PC's Bluetooth is turned on. On your controller, simultaneously press and hold both the PlayStation button and the share button until the light bar begins to flash very quickly. This indicates pairing mode. Now, go to your PC's Bluetooth settings, search for new devices, and select Wireless Controller when it appears. It will connect almost instantly. With your controller now connected, simply launch Grand Theft Auto on your PC. The game should automatically recognize your PlayStation 4 controller, allowing you to navigate menus and play with ease. If, for any reason, the game doesn't immediately respond, quickly check the controller or input settings within Grand Theft Auto's options menu to confirm it's selected. In rare cases, for more advanced customization or persistent issues, a free tool called DS4 Windows can also provide additional compatibility. Enjoy Los Santos!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.